I've always wondered if these window insulation kits do anything at all. And today we're gonna find out, because we got some really old windows here. And as you can see, I've got my thermal camera set up in front of the camera there. The windows are looking blue as blue can be, meaning they're cold. It's about 5 degrees outside right now. But if you look at the center circle in that thermal camera, the little white circle, you can see it's showing about 62, 63 degrees when it's pointing onto the wall. Now, if we move the thermal camera, the center of it, over to the middle of this window, the blue window, you can see it's like 47, 48. So we got a difference of about probably 15, 16 degrees. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this furniture around a little bit. I'm gonna take this kit, I'm gonna throw the insulation onto one of these windows, and then we're gonna see what the difference is. Here's a little trick that you can really impress the ladies with. Take your cell phone, turn on the flashlight, shine it on the window, like so. You see 2 dots, it's double pane. If you see 3, it's triple. Okay guys, we got some really interesting results here. I've left this on here for a couple hours. I actually had to tape a couple pieces of paper on each window because the thermal camera was just shooting right through that plastic. But as you can see, we have the thermal camera pointed on the window that does not have the film on it. And that piece of paper is at 50, 51, 52 degrees. And if we pan over to that piece of paper, you can see it's at 58, 59. So we're getting a good 6 degrees difference between the 2 pieces of paper, which is actually a lot more than I thought it'd be. And there on the thermal camera, you can see window on the left without the film, window on the right has the film. And that's pretty cool results if you ask me. If we go back over to this one on the right, come back onto the thermal camera here, you can see that's 58 degrees right there. If I go up and it shoots the glass, it's actually at 46-ish. So that's a huge difference, actually. So there you go. I always wondered, does that window insulation stuff work? It actually looks like it works pretty good. Make sure you like this video because it's freaking awesome. Or subscribe, or watch some of my other videos even. Thank you.